Yes, student, many times I told you to better understand the theoretical content, okay, we have to give priority after theoretical content to solve some numerical question. Here I am picking one of the numerical question given in your NCERT book. The value of Kp, that is equilibrium constant, if the active mass is given by pressure. For the reaction, this is the reaction when CO2 gas react with carbon solid, that is called simply graphite, gives 2 carbon monoxide and it is gas. Student, in solving the question, we must have to concentrate the physical state of the reactants and products. The Kp value is 3.0 and the temperature is 1000 Kelvin. Okay, initially, that is before the reaction, carbon dioxide is present, okay, and its concentration is 0.48. Getting? That is partial pressure, sorry, not concentration, partial pressure is 0.48 bar. Okay, and the pressure of carbon monoxide. So as the carbon monoxide in product side, therefore it will not have any pressure. So its pressure is what? 0. And also pure graphite is present at equilibrium. Now we have to find the equilibrium pressure of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. The meaning of question is the initial pressure of reactant is given. On the basis of it, after establishment of an equilibrium between the three species, what will be new pressure of carbon dioxide and what will be the pressure of product, because now at equilibrium the product will also fall. So we have to find its pressure. Student, to solve such question, very first we have to write equation. Equation is what? Again, CO2 plus C, it gives 2CO. Getting? 2CO. But most important thing is what? Writing its state. Solid, gas, this is solid and this is what? Gas. Isn't it? Now the initial pressure of CO2 is 0.48 bar. Therefore there will be no pressure. It is solid. Solid do not exert any pressure, so need not to write the pressure of carbon because it is present in pure form. That is a solid state. Now let X pressure of CO2 decreases. CO2 decreases as reaction proceed. Okay, so at equilibrium, final pressure of all species will be okay. So what will be final pressure? So if the pressure of reactant is decreases, means pressure of carbon monoxide will increase, isn't it? And what is it? Let it is X. So the pressure of CO2 will be what? 0.48 and minus what? X. Getting? There will be no pressure of carbon. Okay, no pressure. And for carbon monoxide, the pressure will be what? X. But how many X? Being here it is 1 mole and it is 2 mole. So there will be development of 2x pressure. Getting? Now let's write first what? Expression. So it is what? Heterogeneous equilibria. Why it is heterogeneous equilibria? Because different states of reactant and products are present. Therefore called heterogeneous equilibria. For this, the expression Kp will return only for gaseous and aqueous state, not for solid and pure liquid state. Therefore now what? Kp will be product divided by reactant. So the product is what? Product pressure is PCO divided by PCO2. But the number of mole of carbon monoxide is 2, therefore it will become what? 2. Getting? Now start placing value. We have Kp is equal to what? 3, isn't it? We have PCO is equal to what is it? 2x, and we have PCO2, it is equal to 0.48 minus x. So now place the value. After placing the value, it will become 3 is equal to, now PCO. What is the PCO? Here is a PCO. So that is become 2x and what square divided by PCO2 is 0.48 minus x. Isn't it? Now we can also write it as 3, okay, into 0.48 minus 3x, okay, sorry, minus x is equal to, you can write it 4x square, or 3 at 24, 3 4 12, and that one 1.44 minus 3x is equal to 4x square, or we can write what? 1.44 getting is equal to what? 4x square plus 3x, isn't it? So in that way we can proceed the reaction, or we can write 4x square plus 3x, and now okay, convert it, bring it here, minus 1.44 is equal to 0. Okay, now you do solve it. That is, this equation you have to solve it to get what? Value of x, because here two different values are there, therefore you have to solve it. 4x square plus 3x minus, you can apply your 10th class knowledge, that is quadratic equation, you will get the value. Are you getting? So in that way we can solve the question. One more application of equilibrium constant. That is, what is the application of equilibrium constant? So student, you know that the equilibrium constant, you can write Kp, or you can write what? Kc. So we can find its application. Right, first one, to predict extent of reaction. Okay, how it is? Student, you know that Kp or Kc simply, okay, it is equal to the concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant. That is, equilibrium constant is directly proportional to what? Product concentration, and inversely proportional to reactant. So if in Kc or Kp value, that is equilibrium constant value, its value is very high, it will show that the product concentration is very high. That is, in such reaction, the reaction is almost completed to give the product. And if the value of K is less, it will predict that the reactant concentration is very high, so that the K value come very less. That is, in such reaction, the reaction just goes to forward direction, but immediately the equilibrium is established. On this way, there is three things. If Kc value, okay, is more than 10 to power 3, shows high concentration of product, okay, that is high extent of reaction, Second one, number 2, if Kc value is lesser than 10 to power minus 3, look at here, it is more than 10 to power 3, but here it is lesser than 10 to power 3, shows high concentration of reactant, that is low extent of reaction, reaction. And third one, if Kc is equal to 10 to power 3 to 10 to power minus 3 shows intermediate situation. That is what? Intermediate situation. That is, the concentration of reactant are almost same as the concentration of product.